see, this is a very important issue in which we, as a citizen, we have to be very serious. From time and again, in various talk shows also, I have been raising this issue, and through various platforms where I have a privilege to interact with the public also, I always appeal to the general people, the drivers, be it private vehicle, be it local taxi, be it the two-wheelers driver, in which we have to be very careful. Number one, don't drink and drive. The Nehu case, we certainly 100% sure that the one who drives is not in a condition in which he can drive properly. Number two is that we have to understand the vehicle we drive, whether it is in good condition or not. Maybe something wrong with the brake. If the vehicle brake it fails, then it is a duty of the owner to see and check properly in due course of time. Number three is that we have to understand that the driver who drives a vehicle, he is carrying with someone, with so many lives, be it a bus, be it a taxi. So we have to be very careful, wearing seat belt, and then to understand that the condition of the vehicle is fine. And very importantly is that to drink during driving we have to avoid, as well as for the two-wheelers, wearing helmet, and we should not drive too fast. Just today also, while coming from Nongport to Shillong, in Maulai bypass, I saw one person driving a scooty without a helmet in the turning at the speed of 80 or more than 80. So it is very alarming the way our youth are driving two-wheelers as well as vehicle. So it is the concern of each and everyone that we should understand that we have to avoid ourselves from accident, as well as we have to avoid troubling others also by doing such kind of an act. So my appeal to all the fellow citizens, those who drive, be it a vehicle or a two-wheeler, be responsible, and we have to follow as per the Motor Vehicle Act is there. Police and the Transport Department, time and again, they are doing checking. They are doing a very good job. And you have seen recently, hats off to the police of Ribhoi Police under the leadership of the Superintendent of Police as well as additional SP Traffic for the tremendous job that they have done. This is a kind of awareness creating, and the people has to learn, and they have to understand the consequences. And when we talk about this issue, just today also, we had a meeting with the Superintendent of Police Ribhoi District. On the 27th, next week, 27th of November, we'll have an awareness program in my constituency in Umden, and where we'll have a mock drill also from the police department. They will show for safety, security, and to abide by the law, by the certain issues are there that as a driver we have to understand. Po Umden Road is at a very fast track, and it is almost say 55-60%, and as per the word of the firm which has been awarded, they will complete by say January, February, they will complete it. And it is the dream and aspiration of the people and land.